person expect?
Right. It really depends. It's case by case, because the average automatic transmission has over 300 parts. So you have to think about how many combinations of parts you can have with 300, and typically in a repair, you probably have somewhere between 20 and 35 or 40 parts you actually replace or repair. So it's a matter of which of those parts has the issue. But really, it's diagnosing the vehicle first, determining whether the customer even has a transmission problem. And that's the biggest challenge we deal with here, is trying to figure out how we help people understand that calling around and trying to get prices, nobody can honestly give them a price without seeing the vehicle and knowing what it's doing. Again, 36% of our customers, once they get here, the ones who come, 36%, so over a third of our customers don't end up having a major transmission problem.